Here we are. Greg, say hey.
Hey.
It's Greg. There's Riley, his dog. I want to. Jill! Don't grab him by the neck. Cat's on his back. That's Riley, sweet. We love our Riley. Look at him. Fight back, Riley. Fight. And so those are my two shepherds. And I'm near ready. And my parents' vicious West Highland Terrier puppy. You get a lot for $3,000 in that kind of dog. They love Riley. You couldn't tell by looking at it. And Jill, that's a little hard. Yes, but I could kill him with one chomp if I wanted to. Let him up, Jill. Anyway, Riley, don't surrender. Maybe that is good. Play dead. Look at Riley. I need my bench, my skate bench. She climbs up there to escape from Cassie. Then he lays down on it.
He loves it.
It's so funny. Huh? They're really sweet.
Right.
Do they know each other?
Yeah. Jill, they love my dogs are, and Riley is too, and Cassie is too. Cassie's a puppy, the white one. My shepherds are real good with babies. How old? What kind of dog is that?
Maltese.
How old?
Almost 3.
3 years old?
Almost.
I thought it was like 3 months old.
I know.
It's so cute.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm trying to.
Dog friends.
Hold on,
Okay.
hold on.
She's real sweet.
Okay.
You want to run around with the little guy?
Okay.
Yeah.
When he's in the dog park, he's okay. Otherwise, he growls at.
Yeah. Look, and there's Layla.
Be nice.
Is that your mama bear?
Be nice. Go play.
Get him.
Boy.
Get him. They're playing.
What's up, Titty?
Hi. Hey, Ray. Hey, Ray. Okay, long video.
Sorry.
Oh no, she's little.